Jayalakshmi. I am from Kerala and now I am doing my MSLDP. This is my first camp, and this camp was a big realization for me. I realized lots of things from here. So like all of us do, we all will be in schools and all, we will be like, we will be having a pledge like India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters and all. And now it's from this camp I realized that I call all Indians like my brothers and sisters. But how can I be so selfish when those my brothers and sisters who are dying because of starvation, because of lack of food, because of unnourishment? How selfish I am. I just feel guilty and I was ashamed of myself. So I can do anything because I have all this strength in me. The only thing we want while doing a thing is that a heart. If we have a good heart, we can do everything. If we are sure that this is a good thing, we can stand for it. That is what OSS taught me, or this MSLDP taught me. That is, if it is a good, you can stand for that. Like everybody can go with the flow, but the one who is like swimming against the flow, he is the leader. He is the great person. So if you think it is bad, you should stand against it. If you think it is good, you should stand with it. So this is the most important learning that I got. Then the other thing is, age is just a number. Age has nothing to do with what you can do. If you have the courage to do it, if you can handle anything, you can do anything. Age doesn't define your ability to do something. If you have that strong willpower, that strong heart, that good heart, if you have a kind heart, you can do anything. That serving is not just a big thing. It is just a set of small tiny things or little things. It's a collection of only little things. We can do our part. If we want to see a change, it is ourselves who should change the first. So we can make the change. For all those charming and enthusiastic youths who are out there, who are really keen to do something, or who are searching for a platform to serve our nation or serve our country, just come here. This is a really great opportunity, and this MSLDP is a great guide to do something. You all can come here, and I can ensure you that this is a great platform. You will not regret for coming here. You will go back with lots of, with the values, with happiness and everything. You will not regret that it was a bad decision. I will say that this was the only perfect decision which I took, that I will come here for the camp and attend it. So I have no regret. I am just going back with full of happiness and full of strength, courage and confidence. I can say that this confidence which I am talking here in front of you, and for this confidence I gained from this MSLDP. I was too lazy, I was finding excuses for everything, but now I can feel the change, that positivity inside me, that energetic me. I am that energetic me who is standing in front of you. So I wish everybody come here and become more and more energetic, be more confident. We can do anything. So I welcome all of you here.